Hi guys, I have an unboxing for you. I just got yesterday my ice yarn came in. The box was all wet and torn open on the top, but that's okay. At least none of the yarn was out and got all wet. So anyways, I'll show you what I got now. Picasso wool. It's very soft. And it is a 408. And 45 wool, 55 acrylic, and the color is green white. It's very soft. I like it. And it smells like wool. I love wool. That's one of my favorite yarns to work with is wool. So that's one, Picasso wool. And it is made in Turkey. All these yarns are going to be made in Turkey, I'm sure. Next one is Magic Glitz Pink Shades. It's soft. Feels like, to me it feels like Red Heart with Love. It is a 408. My eyes are not. 95 acrylic and 5% Lilac. It's nice. I like the pink and white shades that and the glitter all around it. It's very nice. So that is Magic Glitz. No, I'm sorry, it's a 3-weight. I just woke up, I'm sorry. And I'm doing this already. Then we got another Magic Glitz. Blue, lilac, pink, white, yellow shades. This one is very pretty with the very not fall, but spring-like. It has the pastels, the whites, the yellows, the greens, the purples, the pinks. I like this one. Pick DK. Now this is similar to Mandala. 100% premium acrylic. It's very soft. It's very, very, very soft. It's made in Turkey. Very bright colors. But yes, it's very soft, and it is similar to Mandala. Excuse me a second. No, I'm not sick. It's my allergies. They're getting me really bad right now. So that is Pick DK. Pick Glitz. Very sparkling. It's just like magic glitz, but in a cake. Quartz in indigo blue. Very nice. If you can see the shine, has a very shine. I like it. It's a lightweight too, and yes, I would say yes it is. It's a lightweight too. 70 acrylic, 30 polymerized. It's very nice, and I like the shine in it too. So I like that one also. Next is Jeans Green White. A 100% cotton, and it's a 3-weight. It's not the softest cotton, but I love the emerald and the white. I love green also. I love brown, and I love green. I love all the colors. But yes, it's not the softest. Maybe for a shawl. And it is made in Turkey. It'd be usable for a scarf, for a shawl. So that is jeans. Here's another quartz in light camel. Quartz and white. I'm not going to open up since I showed you one already. Rockstar Color, red green shades. It comes in 8 in a pack. It's soft. And it's made in Turkey. This is Rockstar Color. Love the colors in it. I can't read the... Let me see if I can... Excuse me. Geesh. "19 merino wool, 19 acrylic, and 63 polyamized." I could read that one. So Rockstar Color, very soft. And yes, the bag did come busted open. Rock and Roll, Burgundy Shades, Lilac Shade. Here is one of their new yarns, the Rock and Roll. Man. It's soft, and it's very, very soft. "19 wool, 35 acrylic, and 50 modal." It looks like a 3-weight. I love the colors in it. It's very, very soft. It's like a, sort of like tubular. I'm not sure, but yes, it's very soft. So that is the Rock and Roll. A very nice one. Rockstar, light blue. It's very, very, very soft. just like the rock and roll and like the rock star color, but this is actually, it's like the rock and roll. It's very, very soft. The rock color is soft, but not as soft as this. 19 merino wool, 70 polyester, and I don't know what's on top. It's all blurred out. But anyways, this is light blue shades and the Rockstar. Gumball Pastel Rainbow. Here's the Gumball. It's soft. It's very, very soft. And 100% premium acrylic. It's a lightweight 3, and yes, I would say it's a lightweight 3. Pretty pastel colors for the spring. It's made in Turkey. So that is Gumball. Baby Ombre. The bag came all tore open and everything. It's very soft. It's a very lightweight one. And I don't really like these kind of lightweights. It's 100% peeling acrylic. It's very, very soft. But as it's a lightweight one, I will not buy it again. And if I use it, I'd use it with a thicker yarn, probably. Double it up with a thicker yarn. So that is Baby Ombre. Lorena worsted. Rose pink. So this is Lorena worsted. And I cannot talk today. It's not the softest cotton that I have felt. It's 55 cotton, 45 acrylic. Yes. It's not the softest, but it's nice. It's doable. And it's made in Turkey. Tiramisu Cotton. This is a lightweight one, which I didn't know. I did open it early when I got it yesterday. It's very, very, very soft. And this is something that you would have to use it for something very, very special. But yes, it's very, very soft. Would I buy it again? No. So that is Tiramisu Cashmere. Alera Emerald Green. It's soft. It's a 3-weight, yes. 50 cotton, 50 acrylic. It's nice. It's soft. It's doable. So that is the Alera. Another quartz in indigo blue. Andalusia. Pastel colors. Baby blue. It's soft. 50 wool, 50 acrylic, and 20 polymerized. It is a lightweight 3. Love the colors in it. Very nice. It's soft. Feels like, I'm not sure what it feels like. I have to think about that one. But that is the Andalusia. Here's another rock and roll. Pink shades, blue shades, and green shades. There's another rock and roll one of their new ones. Here's a denim in orange. Fantasia, purple, and fuchsia. It's a medium weight for it. That's all I can read. They cut off the rest of it. I'm sorry. But it's very, very, very soft. Made in Turkey. The purple shades, as you can see it going through. Very nice. That's Fantasia. Jeans wool, Salmon Shades. Very pretty colors with the salmon. From a rose color to lighter. Very nice. 50 wool, 50 premium acrylic. And it is a 4-weight. Yes, I agree. It's very soft. Smells like wool. I like wool too. Very nice. That is jeans wool. Alpaca Punto gold brown shades. It's soft. If you can see, they have the little bumps going of different colors all around it. Oh, I cannot read this. It's so small. It's very nice. It's very soft. I like it. Comes in a 6-pack. So there is that one. Then got the one that I just showed you in brown shades and salmon shades. So I got, those are pretty colors too. I'm not going to take it out because I just showed it to you. That's some very pretty colors also. The jeans in orange white. Same as the emerald and white one that I showed you, the first one. We got it in the red and white. Very pretty color. Here's a denim in turquoise. The rainbow, green, pink, gold, blue, and turquoise. So here's rainbow. It's soft. It's made in Turkey. 100% a premium acrylic. It's a lightweight 3. And yes, I would say it is. Very nice, very soft. I like it. I'm almost done. Jeans and fuchsia. That's denim and fuchsia. Denim and turquoise. Denim and beige. I just got 2 more left. Harmony. Lilac, mint green, orange, yellow, and pink. Here's Harmony. It's soft. I can tell you that. 100% premium acrylic. Very nice. I like this one too, Harmony. Made in Turkey. Oh, come on, get back in there. And the last one. Dream Mohair. Purple green shades. Here's Dream Mohair. Oh, come on, be friendly. Oh, come on. Oh, it's soft. It's very, very, very soft. Made in Turkey, of course. And then, hello? 35% mohair and 66% or 65% premium acrylic. Very nice. If you can see the hairs coming out, the mohair. And I like it. Very nice colors. So that is Dream Mohair. And that is the end of my haul. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.